In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail message blocked error 5 minutes. If you're seeing a message blocked notice in Gmail, it can sometimes be caused by corrupted cookies or an expired session in your browser. A quick refresh of your browser data often clears up the conflict and lets Gmail reconnect cleanly. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that step by step and explain what each action does so you know why it works. First, open your browser. This process works the same way in all major browsers and you don't need any special tools. Make sure you've saved any work in other tabs because we'll be clearing cookies in a moment and that can sign you out of some sites. Next, look for the menu button, typically the 3-dot or 3-line icon near the top right of your browser window. Click it to open the main menu. This is where your browser keeps controls for your account, downloads, history, and all the configuration options we need. From that menu, click on Settings. This opens the control center for your browser. We'll only adjust privacy options today, so you won't change anything about your homepage, appearance, or default search. Inside Settings, find and click Privacy and Security. This section manages how your browser stores data like cookies and site permissions. Cookies help websites remember your login and preferences, but they can also hold on to outdated or conflicting information that prevents Gmail from sending properly. Now click on Delete Browsing Data, sometimes labeled Clear Browsing Data. This is the tool that removes stored site data. Don't worry, we're going to target just the items related to sign-in and session information. In the dialog that appears, select Cookies and Other Site Data. Leave other options alone if you want to keep your cached images or download history. Focusing on cookies ensures Gmail gets a fresh session without unnecessarily clearing everything else. Keep in mind that removing cookies will sign you out of most websites, so be ready to log back in afterward. Click Delete Data to confirm. The browser will process for a moment and clear the selected items. When it's done, the session that Gmail was using will be reset. Finally, go back to Gmail and refresh the page. Sign in again if prompted. Try resending your email. If the issue was tied to stale cookies or a stuck session, this clean start should resolve the message blocked error and restore normal sending. If it persists, the cause may be outside your browser, but this refresh is a fast, safe first fix that often does the trick.